Oh, oh, look what came in the mail. Haters gonna hate. Haters gonna say it was Photoshop, but your girl just got her package from Ulta and I just couldn't wait. Cannot wait to open it. So here I am, about to open it and test out some stuff. So I totally forgot what I ordered, but we about to see what it was. I think it was some NYX stuff because I guess NYX had like 5 coins per dollar spent, like maybe a week or so ago. We gonna see. That. Okay. All right, so I replaced my bronzer. Y'all know, if y'all been following me, y'all know that this is my gig. I found this palette. This is the Phoenix palette. You know how they have those ultimate palettes? I decided that I wanted to like buy one. And then, so I did a video like not too long ago with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Apparently they have concealer, so I was like, well, let me at least try. Like, why not? So, and then there was one. Y'all, I get funny about my packages, but I was like, I knew I had something else in here. Now this is the Off Tropic Shifting Sand palette. It was one of those online only palettes. Ooh, this is nice. This might be a separate video. Let me see. Shoot, how do you get this thing in? Oh. I knew that. I knew that. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. Just in time for festival season. All right, so I think, I don't know if I want to use this palette or this palette. I don't know. I'm gonna save this one because I feel like there's a couple of looks in here that I want to try. So what I'm going to do is, per the usual, I'm going to prime my eyes with my P. Louise because that's just what kind of mood I'm in. Work this out. So I think I'm going to go in with this color right here, and then I'm just going to pack that onto my lid and kind of wing it out a little bit. Y'all know me, y'all know I don't really have a plan, so we're just gonna see what happens. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. My last video, I didn't feel too good about it, but this video, I'm seeking redemption. So I must say, NYX never fails. Like, their eyeshadows, like, they know what they're supposed to do. Unlike some, we will not name any names because we've already been there, done that. And if you see my last video, you know why I'm still kind of hot. But I digress. I digress. I do like the way that this is, you know, melting into my eyelid. Although it's like more pink on my eye than it is in the pan. It's more like a corally color, but apparently it shows up pink. I don't know, but I can dig it. I'm working with it. It's not chalky, it's not falling apart. My life isn't in shambles, so we can proceed. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and I'm gonna go in with this yellow color right here, and I'm just gonna kind of diffuse the color at the top. You know, I still don't have a plan of what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Okay, sunset vibes it is. Sunset vibes it is. Y'all, I am so ready for it to be spring again. Like, I don't even feel motivated to go to the gym because I'm out here trying to look like a snack in like April, but I'm just like, it's so cold. I make up all kind of excuses not to go to the gym, but I'm getting better because I have some accountability partners. And I just, you know, spring is upon us and I need to look snatched as hell. All right, you know, just trying to do what I'm just trying to do my part, but it's hard when it's cold. I don't want to do nothing. But anyways, I digress. I know y'all don't want to hear about my melodrama, but what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna take this brush. This will work. I think it'll work. And I am going to, I was gonna use this orange color right here, but apparently the color is already kind of into the skin, so it's already turned into an orange, so I'm not gonna press the issue. But what I think I might do, I don't know, I just don't want to mess it up because we have potential here. Like, there's potential. I see it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this purple color right here and I'm just going to work that onto my outer corners of my eyelid and just see how it all goes down. Oh my goodness, so festival season, whether we like it or not, it's gonna be here any moment. I just saw the lineup for Rolling Loud in Miami this summer. I mean, everybody, I don't know who's gonna top, you know, Beyonce at Coachella, but I mean, hey, I'm here for the acts that do. And also South by Southwest, I go every year, so if you all are in the Austin, Texas area around like March 11th through the 17th, come holla at me. That is the only time you will ever catch me in Texas, because, or at least Austin, because that god awful school is out there, you know. No shade if you went to the University of Texas, just know I'm an OU grad, so horns down all day, every day. But I digress. The one thing I can say about this particular eyeshadow palette, which I mean, I've used some of the Ultimate palettes before, like, you literally have to work like to get color payoff, which, I mean, I'm not mad about it, but sometimes I don't always have the time. Sometimes I just want to just go and have like a really, really elegant look, but not have to work so hard. But apparently that's just not the case. All right, so I kind of like where we're going. So I think at this point we must cut our crease because I feel like this look needs it. I'm gonna take that same P. Louise base in my favorite brush right now. It's the M705 brush from Morphe. I absolutely love this brush because it literally gives me almost the perfect cut crease. Okay, my eyes are looking more like identical twins, not fraternal, so I think we can move right along. And I think for my lid, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here and just kind of place that onto my lids, and if I don't like it, I can just go over it, but I'm feeling that color. And per the usual, I'm going on to my lids dry first, and then I will go in with some setting spray of some sort and work it all out.
A few moments later.
We're cooking with gas now, so I'm just gonna go back in with this purple color right here, and I'm just going to work that onto my outer corner once more. You know, gotta make sure we have these gradient looks intact, as well as make sure everything looks put together, because I don't want nobody to like clock me at a party and be like, oh girl, your bling game, it's not strong. We don't want that, so gotta make sure I keep the haters shooken on their toes. Oh, I like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in the color Vivid Sapphire, and I'm just gonna line my eyes. See how it goes. Okay, before I pass judgment, or before I do my left eye, I need to see something real quick. Because if y'all have been following me, I did a review on the Fenty Beach collection, and I tried one of these liquid eyeliners that was not in the color black. It was white. It was an epic fail. So before I say, oh girl, I see you, I need to let this thing dry real quick. I just gotta see something. All right, so y'all know what the drill is. Went on ahead and finished my eyelashes off camera. Now I feel put together. I'm gonna leave my eyes alone for just a second. I went on ahead and spritzed my face with my Mario Badescu facial water. So we are just ready to dive right into the face. So I'm still using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm the same color that I was in the last video. This is the color Warm Honey, and I'm just going to work that into my skin and buff it in until I like what I see. You know, that's the name of the game this week. For concealer, I don't even know if this is the right color. I just kind of shot in the dark with this, so we're gonna see if it works. This is the concealer in the color, it's beige. It's a lot of letters and numbers, but in the end the color is beige. And I'm just gonna highlight my high points of my face and everywhere that I want to accentuate, you know. And then we're gonna blend it out until your girl like what she said. Okay. I mean, I don't think there's anything that NYX can really get wrong other than that white eyeshadow or that white eyeliner that I tried last summer. Like, that was for the birds, and I hope that they had a meeting and was like, never again. Because that was outrageous. I was pissed. I was pissed. Absolutely pissed, because I'm like, NYX, y'all could do better. Y'all could do way better than this. Okay, I like the way it blends in to the skin. Gotta make sure everything is buffed real good under the eyes, because you don't want any creases of any kind, because it looks terrible in photos. And it's almost like having spinach in your teeth, to where people see it but they're not gonna say nothing. It's one of those type things. So kudos to NYX for making a concealer that, you know, blends in under the eyes really, really well, so we don't have any embarrassing moments where our under our eye is creasing, because that's just not cute. Not cute at all. I actually like this concealer, like, no lie. Like, I don't know where I've been. Like, I don't even know how long they've had these concealers, but this right here, for shooting in the dark, man, I might have hit my target. Because, you know, buying online, man, you know, you have to say a Hail Mary before you push submit order. But I hate going, honestly, I hate going shopping with regular people, because regular people can be so mean. They can be so mean, and I don't have time. Because the way my attitude is set up, like, nope. And I'm too young to catch a case. So, I just www and hope and pray that I find the right things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a nice little brush and just chisel out some features of mine that I want to highlight. Make sure everything is one shade, and I'm nice and bronzed, and I look like summer is here, not winter still. I'm just so ready for it to be like at least 60 degrees. I'll take 60 degrees over this nonsense, because this right here, I'm not here for it. I'm not here for it. All right, and for finishing powder, y'all already know the drill. I'm taking my Pure 4-in-1 in the color Golden Dark, and I'm just gonna be dabbing away until I feel good about it, because I want my face to last all night. So it's levels to this. So for my under eye, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix in the coral shade and then that purple shade and just work that on my lower lash line and see what happens. Because like I said, I never have any plans here, ever. All right, for lips, what I'm gonna do, I think I have a shopping problem, because I found this because I thought I was gonna use like, oh, okay, NYX products, yada, yada, yada. Ended up finding this unopened Midnight Chaos chromatic gloss in the color Undercover Gleam. And I bought this. I remember when I bought this and I never used it. So today I'm gonna use it. And I think I'm just gonna use gloss today because I don't wanna take away from the eyes. I love a good gloss. Like, oh, I love a good gloss. Like, even when I have like on like a color on my lips or whatever, like once it's time to touch up, I usually grab a gloss. I don't touch up with the same lip product that I started with. So we're gonna see what this is all about. It looks, let's just see. Let's just see. Okay. I mean, I don't think it's gonna work for this look. If I wanted to work for this look, it would work for this look. And I don't feel like getting up to go find something else to work with. That's what happens when it's cold outside. I don't feel like doing nothing. All right, y'all, so this is a completed look, and I must say I'm quite shook by this look. I'm gonna have all my haters shook. I need to find some plans tonight so I can really, really, really have folks shook, because this is fly. I like it. The lip color is growing on me. This gloss is really cute. Like, fight me on it. I thought I was gonna change my lip choice, but no, I do what I want. It's makeup. There are no rules at all. Well, anyways, let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. Like, that's the name of the game we're playing. But as usual, that's all the time your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.